Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at questions 7A and 7B. Sam is delivering two refrigerators that each weigh 105 kilograms. There is an elevator with a weight limit of 1,000 pounds. And they give us the conversion of 1 kilogram is equal to 2 and 2/10 pounds. By the way, on a New York State exam, they would be giving you this information. You don't have to memorize what's in the parentheses. What is the weight of one of the refrigerators in pounds? So it's saying that each one weighs 105 kilograms. So first thing we'd want to do is we want to take the conversion that they give you here and write it as a ratio. So for every 1 kilogram, that's 2 and 2/10 pounds. So that's first, is to take this and write it as a ratio. Step two is to take the number that's given and decide where does it go in the proportion. So since it's talking about kilograms, we're going to write the 105 as the numerator because the numerator is talking about kilograms, and we're trying to figure out how many pounds, right? We want to know how many pounds. So how would we figure out the solution for P? One method is by using cross products. So if we do 1 times P would equal P. Remember, P stands for pounds. And if we do the other cross product going this way, then we're just doing 2 and 2/10 times 105. Now, when you do the algorithm for this, folks, you want to set up your algorithm. Remember, you can use commutative property for multiplication, so it's best to take the number with more digits and write that on top. And you don't need to line up the decimals like you do with addition, subtraction. And then we're going to take this number and write it underneath. And you'll go ahead and run through the algorithm. Now, just remember when you're done, you got to go over 1 to the left with your answer. All right, so you'll be seeing one of these as the answer choice when you do the math correctly for that. Now, whatever you get, you're going to take that answer because that'll be how many pounds for one refrigerator. And remember, we're talking about two refrigerators here, two refrigerators. So what you have to figure out next is you have to figure out whether bringing these two refrigerators on the elevator that has a weight limit of 1,000 pounds, if you take whatever you get here and you multiply that by 2, that's going to be how many pounds we're talking about for the two refrigerators. So again, you're taking what you get here, multiplying it by 2, and you're asking yourself, is that number more or less than 1,000? Because if it's more than 1,000, then we're not going to be able to take both on the elevator, right? So if it's under 1,000, then you would be able to take both refrigerators on the elevator. All right, good luck finishing that up.